Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates in my channel for every sector, government sector, private sector, engineering sector as well as PSU jobs. If you have come first time in my channel, please subscribe my channel because I give daily job notification and daily career guidance. So you have to subscribe to get all these news. So let's start this video. Today's job notification has come from Deloitte of Campus Diabetes. They are hiring for technology analyst position and BE Tech can apply for this job. The drive will be happen in 2021, so we will discuss in detail. If you have not subscribed our channel, just click on subscribe. Okay, so don't skip this video, we will discuss. So BE Tech can apply for this job. Experience needed is 0 to 3 years experience. The job profile name is business technology analyst. Working location will be Hyderabad and salary will be quite good, 35,000 K per month. So what will be your job role? You are a quick learner and willingness to work, then you can directly apply here. So the work you need to do here: as a business technology analyst, Deloitte Consulting, you will be responsible for crafting, developing and deploying the software solution at the enterprise level. You will be working with functional teams in project located at offshore as well as onshore. So understand business requirements and needs, support technician, functional process document, build, test and deliver software, responsible for code development, unit testing, responsible for test data creation, test scriptation and execution. The qualification required is bachelor degree or bachelor engineering. General expectation, they are asking excellent analytical and communication skill, written, verbal and presentation ability to chart one's own career, build network within the organization, ability to prioritize the task on multiple assignments, interact with client on regular basis through face-to-face interaction, video conference, teleconference and etc. Suggest practical solutions and partner with the client to implement the solution. Identify the best industry practices, implement in the engagements, define the project standards. The skill required, you need to be ready to complete your deadline oriented work, quality focused, strong verbal and communication skill, demonstrate professionalism, good personal skills, good working knowledge of Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint. If you're really interested, you need to click on apply link. I will give this link in my description box. So this is the career website of Deloitte where you can find the job and directly apply. So as I have mentioned, all the notification you can go through here once again. You can see the off-campus hiring BTA. It is Deloitte US Global India, Hyderabad location they're hiring. So all details you can again check it from here. So you need to click on apply now. It will be redirected to the application or login form. So if you are a new user, then you need to create your user by clicking on new user registration form. Just put your username, password, enter your password and email address. You need to register there, then you need to log in and apply for the job. And also you have to fill up the job details like your educational qualification. If you have experience, then experience details, your skill sets, those things you need to fill up there. Okay, so that is the job notification for Deloitte from the team Job Updates by Verma. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your friends and please subscribe our channel. Thank you, thanks for watching, take care, bye.